Welcome to Sarasa Samutsaran School. This is Health Matayong 2, and my name is Teacher Carla Circolado. Okay, let's first start by reading our vocabulary words. Please listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Swelling, swelling. Period, period. Gain, gain. Now repeat after me. Swelling, period. Gain. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Menstruation, menstruation. Enlarge, enlarge. Pimple, pimple. Now repeat after me. Menstruation, enlarge. Pimple. Very good. Now listen again as I read the third set of words. Gradually, gradually. Broader, broader. Puberty, puberty. Now repeat after me. Gradually, broader. Puberty. Very good. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Please bring out one piece of paper, or if you have your notebooks with you, and write as follows. Let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word period. Number 1. Period. Number 2, spell the word gain. Number 2, gain. And number 3, spell the word broader. Number 3, broader. Okay, now let's check your answers. If it's correct, bring out your red pen. If your answer is correct, please put 1. If your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer. Okay, number 1. Let's read together. Period. How do you spell period? P-E-R-I-O-D. Period. Number 2. Gain. G-A-I-N. Gain. And number 3, broader. B-R-O-A-D-E-R. Broader. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to our topic for today, which is in Unit 1, Growth and Development. Open your books on page 3. So if you are ready, our topic is about the signs of puberty. Everybody repeat after me. The signs of puberty. Very good. Okay, let's read this again together. Repeat after me. There are some certain changes for boys and girls that are the signs of puberty. as we are talking about puberty, we will notice some changes physically in our body during the stage of puberty. So we will first talk about the body changes or physical changes for boys. Okay, so the first body change or physical change that the boys will experience is testes are enlarged. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Testes are enlarged. Very good. So testes are two small organs that are found inside the scrotum. Okay, so this testicle right here, in plural form or plural term, it is called testis. Okay, so this looking like an egg here, okay, it's found inside the scrotum area. Okay, this is the scrotum area. Okay, the testicle or testis is found inside it. Okay, the testicle or testis is also the one responsible for making sperm cells. Okay, sperm cells are used for reproduction. Okay, for making babies. Okay, when you are married. Okay, and also the testicles are also responsible for producing the hormone in the boy's body, which is called testosterone. Everybody repeat after me. Testosterone. Very good. So this is mainly produced by testicle in men or boys. Okay. So the testosterone is the one responsible for all the body changes in boys during puberty. Okay, so let's talk about more changes. Okay, the next thing that the boys will notice during puberty is the penis begins to grow longer. Everybody repeat after me. Penis begins to grow longer. Very good. So you will reach your fully developed penis size between ages 18 and 21. So we have the example here. This is before puberty and puberty. So we will notice the changes in boys' penis. Okay, so the penis may also continue to grow for 1 to 2 years after you stop growing in height. Okay, it will still grow. Okay, so that's the second thing that we will notice in boys during puberty. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is pubic hair and armpit hair appear. Everybody repeat after me. Pubic hair and armpit hair appear. Very good. So the appearance or the hair appears when the adrenal glands increase production of hormone called DHEA. So the puberty stage is called adrenarche. Okay, so during this stage, we will notice that the hair or the pubic hair will grow thicker and curlier. Okay, so this is before puberty. Then this is puberty. We will notice the appearance of small hairs. Then it will turn to thicker and curlier hair. Okay, and it will grow and grow and grow. Okay, until you age 19. And also, same with the armpit hair. We will notice the appearance of hairs in under our arms, and it will grow thicker and curlier. Next. Okay, the next one, we will notice in voice changes. The voice begins to break, get deeper. Everybody repeat after me. Voice begins to break, get deeper. Very good. So, the larynx grows prominently, vocal cords become longer and thicker, causing voice to get deeper. Everybody repeat after me. Vocal cords. Very good. So, the larynx or the voice box is found in our throat. It says it will grow. So, the vocal cord, which is found inside the voice box, will become longer and thicker. So that's how the voice will get deeper. Sometimes you will notice in boys during puberty, their voice become hoarse or it's breaking or cracking. But that will only last for a few months and it will be back to normal, deeper voice. Okay, next. Okay, we will also notice in boys that their shoulders become broader. Everybody repeat after me. Shoulders become broader. Very good. So during puberty, there will be many physical changes in boys, okay, including the chest and shoulders will be broadened. As we can see in the example picture given here, this is before puberty, during puberty, and adulthood. We can notice the chest and the shoulder being broadened as the boys continue to grow. Okay, so during this time, muscle mass is also building during puberty. So we will notice also that during puberty, we will notice some muscles growing in our body. Okay, so it will improve the strength, particularly in the upper area of the body of the boys. They will become stronger. Okay, next. Okay, so also we will notice these changes. Pimples may appear on the face. Everybody repeat after me. Pimples may appear on the face. Very good. So because of the hormones, it stimulates the sebaceous glands to make more sebum. Sebum is the oil, okay? And it will become overactive when there is too much oil. That oil clogs the pores and leads to acne. Okay? That is because of the oil clogs. And also, acne is partly genetic. So if you have a family member that had acne during their childhood or puberty, you are more likely to get pimples as well. Okay, let's do the exercise. Please bring out your paper and write as follows. Let's do fill in the blanks. Okay, choose the correct answer. Number 1, testes are blank. Choose from the box. Number 2, penis begins to grow blank. Number 3, pubic hair and blank appear. And number 4, blank become broader. And number 5, pimples may appear on the blank. Very good. So just to summarize, we talk about the signs of puberty in boys. Their testes, penis, pubic hair, armpit hair, voice, shoulders, and pimples, and their body changes. Thank you so much, everybody. Don't forget, we'll see you soon.